Hi, this is Felix doing tutorial 8, the photoresistor, and here we have it. So if it detects like sudden changes of light, it will turn on the LED. So the photoresistor is connected to the green wire, which is connected to 3 volts going into the resistor, then going through the 10k ohm resistor, then going to ground through the black wire, and then it has a pin 0, which will send information to the board. And then for the LED, we have a 10 ohm 100 ohm resistor and an LED connected in series. So it's going from pin 9 going into the through the resistor into the LED to ground through the black wire. And here we have the coding for the basic tutorial 8. So in here we have set up the sensor pin to pin 0, the LED pin to pin 9. We also set up an integer called light calibration and light value. And in the board setup we have LED pin to an output, and the light calibration will be the analog read from the sensor pin. In the void loop we have the light value being the analog read from the sensor pin, and if the light value is less than the light calibration from minus 50, it will turn the LED on. Anything else, it will turn it off. And here is the modified. So as you can see, I didn't change any of the hardware, but I made it so that instead of making the photoresistor making the LED blink, it will dim the LED. So if I put my hand here, I can turn off the LED. And here is the modified. I didn't change much, except I changed what the analog read would do with the value. So it will read the value first of the light pin, and then put that value into the analog write from the LED pin. Because the analog write has to be a number from 0 to 200, and I had to subtract 560 because the photoresistor has a value of 500 to 800 depending on how much light there is. After that, it will delay for 10 milliseconds and repeat all over, reading the light pin and turning that into the brightness.